Good morning, this is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 26th of December. My disclaimer, do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own shots. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, what's been happening on crypto? Nothing. It's just trading sideways. So we did have a couple of potential little IHSs break up, but they failed. We're basically going nowhere. The daily middle band, which is the key level on all of them short term, I think is at 88,854. We are currently slightly below it, but of course that's affected by the fact the daily middle band is dropping. But we could break above that slightly in the next couple of days, but I think the main thing we're looking at here is that we've got a flag. This is likely broken down. Now this is interesting. That's happened overnight because this was the this was Bitcoin failing. Hang on, bear with me a moment. This was Bitcoin failing at the declining resistance from the high. Is it still failing? Yeah, hasn't broken up over it yet. It might break up over it. I'm not sure that's that significant, but if it doesn't, then that leaves the possibility it's going to go down significantly further to reach support on that, reach a corresponding support trend line. And obviously we already have the corresponding support trend line, which is quite a long way down, but we might set up an alternate. Really, I'm expecting this flag to make target. We will see how that goes. In terms of the 15-minute chart, not a lot to say. Hourly chart, not a lot to say. No divergence on either. Looking at Solana. Solana is quite a long way below the daily middle band, which is 178.52. This is pretty close to the low. This is the one that has actually already retested the low. Which was at 121.51. So after we broke down from the bear flag, that went to 116.85. Not making a lot of progress on the low there. Hourly chart, no divergence. Possible double bottom here, but to be honest, I haven't got a lot of confidence in it because Ethereum and Bitcoin haven't reached their bear flag targets. And I think after we're done with this short period of upside on equities, then I think we're likely to be going down hitting the targets on those. Looking at the daily chart on Ethereum, I've got that at 3033 against 2977 at the moment. Hourly chart, nothing to see. 15-minute chart, nothing to see. We've broken down from this bear flag, and that's got a target at the retest this low here at 262184. And after that, at this point, really, I'd be looking for it to get to the head and shoulder target, which is in the 2050 area here. And on Solana, I've got that at the retest of this low here at 95.24. So that's where we are. Not an awful lot happening. I'm thinking that we're going to see equities probably make my targets in the next day or two. So I'm thinking by the close on Monday. After that, I'm thinking we probably see another leg down. We at least see retest the lows on Bitcoin, and Ethereum, but we'll probably go down and get those head and shoulder targets too. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions. My pleasure as always, mate. And I hope you had a great holiday too. Because yeah, I always like Christmas. That's don't actually have much in the way of like trees and all this sort of stuff, but nonetheless, it's always nice to see the family. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Catch everyone on Monday. Everyone take care.